Divorce is often contentious and expensive, but it doesn't have to be. The courtroom battles associated with traditional divorce litigation can be entirely avoided by spouses who choose mediation to resolve their divorce disputes. Mediation is a voluntary process where a neutral third party called a mediator helps couples negotiate and resolve conflicts. Unlike a judge in a courtroom, a mediator doesn't make decisions. They facilitate communication between the parties and helps them to understand each other's perspectives. The divorce mediator provides legal information to guide the couples and helps them to develop unique solutions to resolve their divorce issues. Mediation has several benefits over traditional litigation. The most important benefit to many couples is cost effectiveness. Mediation typically costs significantly less than litigation. With litigation, each party must retain their own attorney and pay an initial retainer that can range from $5,000 to $20,000. That retainer is continuously used up and replenished throughout the litigation process. The need for multiple court appearances and related expenses drives up the cost of litigation. In mediation, however, there's only one mediator and both parties typically share the mediator's fees equally. Since mediation does not involve the court until a settlement has been reached, there are also less court-related expenses. The total cost of mediation for both parties is often less than the cost of a single party's litigation retainer. Mediation is also more time efficient than litigation. Mediated divorces are typically resolved more quickly than litigated divorces. This is because the parties control the process, and they're committed to working together to achieve the common goal of settlement. Parties motivated to divorce quickly can produce their financial disclosures promptly and can schedule longer and more frequent mediation sessions to resolve their issues more quickly. Unlike court dates and litigation, mediation sessions are scheduled according to convenience. Mediation sessions are private, and everything discussed during a session is kept confidential. Any issues that arise during the divorce-like disputes over temporary child or spousal support are negotiated and resolved in private. This is unlike litigation, where issues during a divorce are typically resolved by filing motions with the court and having a public hearing on the matter. Mediation allows parties to keep their private matters out of the public eye and off the court record. Mediation is less adversarial and contentious than litigation. A divorce is always emotionally challenging. The collaborative nature of mediation minimizes the emotional stress for both parties. Mediation encourages an open dialogue between the parties. The mediator facilitates communication between the parties and helps them to appreciate and understand each other's point of view. Mediation can help maintain an amicable relationship between the parties, which is essential for successful co-parenting. Mediation allows for personalized solutions that meet the unique circumstances of the parties. A divorce mediator often helps spouses formulate a more creative solution than a court can offer. When parenting arrangements and financial distribution plans are crafted by the parties themselves, there's a better chance of meeting the needs of the entire family and for long-term parental cooperation. At Connecticut Family Law Group, we believe in finding the best solution for our clients. That's why we offer mediation as an alternative to a litigated court battle. Our mediation process is designed to help divorcing couples come to an amicable settlement that works for both parties. If you are considering mediation as a means for resolving your dispute, please contact us today to schedule a consultation. Thank you.